Hi guys and girls, welcome to Canadian Immigration Channel. This video is about studies versus immigration to Canada, or studies and immigration to Canada. When studies are the best alternative for the best foundation for your immigration to Canada, and when it is not. See, we receive tens if not hundreds of emails per day from all over the world, people asking us whether going for studies in Canada would be the best alternative for them or not. Now, I would like to give you a few scenarios so you would be able to estimate yourself when it's right, when it's not right for you to go. Now, the easiest solution and the best one is when you're a fresh graduate, you just finished the high school and you're looking to continue your academic studies in Canada. Well, obviously this is the best option. Chances for refusal are actually quite low, provided that your English or French skills are quite on par with the requirements. Welcome to Canada. Now, this equally applies to the situation when you have just graduated from a college and you're looking to get yourself a bachelor's degree, for example, in Canada, or you just get yourself a bachelor's and you want to continue with master's. Everything is very straightforward, everything is cool, and it's self-explanatory why you're looking to continue your studies. Well, all you would have to do is just to provide the motivational letter. All you have to do is just to prepare your application carefully, and welcome to Canada. It does make sense. When it does not necessarily make sense is when you're a fresh graduate, you already have started your career, so you got a few years of professional work experience, and now you're looking to come to Canada, for example, to a college to study in here, and you got your wife and you're trying to take your wife or husband with you, and well, in some circumstances you're even trying to take your kids with you, right? Why it might be a bad circumstances? Well, imagine the situation that at the end of the day your final aim is to settle in Canada. It's not really about studies. In 99% of cases, you're not looking to come here to study, right? You're looking, in the given circumstances, of course, right? You're looking to come to immigrate to Canada. And if you're refused not even once, twice, thrice, and then you found yourself one of the provincial programs which are taking people with your qualification. Now, it will be tremendously difficult for you to explain to particular immigration officers in the province why for now suddenly you started to love Alberta versus yesterday when you were trying to apply for academic studies in Ontario 3 times in a row. In this scenario, I would definitely recommend you to hold on for a second, and instead of saying, hey, okay, I'm lacking a few points in Express Entry system, I'm looking to offset these points by studies in Canada, consider other options, right? Take a deep breath and study what provincial opportunities, what pilots are offering to you. Maybe your occupation is in demand in one or another province. Maybe historically your occupation was in demand, and if it's not right now, there is still a good chance that one or another program will open relatively soon, and then you will be able to benefit from it. Maybe it makes absolutely sense to send your CV to employers in Canada who do not necessarily have to apply for LMIA, or they are LMIA exempt, that might apply to BC Tech pilot, that might go along with the proposed rural and northern territories pilot, that might work with Atlantic pilot. If not, if absolutely nothing is working, then studies at the very last resort could work, right, for you. You could use this alternative in order to come to Canada. Now, versus the circumstances when you try to go to studies first and then you reconsider this option, and then you decided to apply for provincial program, and then you are facing a very tough question why you're looking to settle in, as I said, in Alberta, for example, whilst you have 3 refusals in your visa application when you are clearly trying to study in Ontario. How will you prove that you are intending and will actually stay in Alberta? So this is the sort of tangible example for you when studies is a good alternative, when it is not. Don't get me wrong though, I'm definitely not against studies, right? What I'm trying to say is that there are circumstances when studies as the first choice is the best solution when it is not, right? And if it's not, if you're 25 plus, if you're 30 plus, if you're looking to immigrate to Canada, you got your family, you're planning to settle in here, before going for studies, consider all of the alternatives, right? If you need help, feel free to send us an email. We will be able to estimate your chances. We'll be able to talk tete-a-tete if you want and see how we can help you. And for all of you, I just want to remind you very quickly, we do have a very interesting search, very convenient search platform for the YouTube channel. We have got lots and lots of videos, and all these videos are indexed in the search, so you will be able to find whatever information you're looking for any particular subject. I will put the link in the description of the video, so you will be able to use this search whenever you need answers to questions, how to immigrate to Canada, what to do with your particular circumstances and your visas. Questions, concerns, feel free to send us an email, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel.